Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Welcome to this deep dive into Apache Kyuubi. In this tutorial, we'll explore how Kyuubi acts as a powerful SQL gateway for big data systems. It enables users to run SQL queries over large datasets using familiar JDBC and ODBC interfaces, while abstracting the complexities of distributed computing. Whether you're a data analyst or engineer, Kyuubi simplifies access to big data platforms like Apache Spark and Hive. Apache Kyuubi is an open-source, distributed SQL gateway that enables users to query large datasets using standard SQL interfaces. It supports multiple execution engines like Spark SQL and Hive SQL, and is designed for secure, multi-tenant environments. Built under the Apache Software Foundation, it's a key tool for enterprises looking to unify access to their big data platforms. Kyuubi simplifies big data querying by abstracting complex distributed systems behind a standard SQL interface. It supports enterprise-grade authentication and integrates seamlessly with tools like Tableau and Power BI. With dynamic resource allocation and multi-tenancy, it scales efficiently to meet the demands of large organizations. Apache Kyuubi comes with a range of powerful features. These include multi-tenancy for secure session isolation, support for pluggable execution engines like Spark and Hive, and compatibility with JDBC and ODBC interfaces. It also offers high availability through Zookeeper and supports enterprise authentication systems like Kerberos and LDAP. Unlike traditional SQL engines, Kyuubi is built specifically for big data environments. It leverages distributed computing frameworks like Spark to execute queries efficiently. Its multi-tenant architecture ensures secure resource isolation, and it integrates seamlessly with the Hadoop ecosystem, making it ideal for enterprise-scale deployments. At a high level, Kyuubi's architecture consists of a server layer that manages sessions, authentication, and query execution. It supports pluggable engines like Spark and Hive, and exposes a standard JDBC-ODBC interface for clients. This modular design allows for flexibility and scalability across different environments. The server layer is the heart of Kyuubi. It handles incoming client connections, manages sessions, and performs authentication. It also routes SQL queries to the appropriate execution engine and supports high availability through integration with Apache Zookeeper. This ensures fault tolerance and load balancing across multiple server instances. Kyuubi's session management system ensures that each user gets an isolated environment. It handles resource allocation dynamically based on workload and supports deployment on Yarn and Kubernetes. Features like session timeout and query queuing help manage system load efficiently in multi-user environments. One of Kyuubi's strengths is its support for pluggable execution engines. It can run queries using Spark SQL or Hive SQL, and even allows for custom engines. This flexibility means you can choose the best engine for your specific workload, all while using a unified SQL interface. Kyuubi exposes a standard JDBC-ODBC interface, making it compatible with a wide range of SQL clients and BI tools. This allows data analysts and business users to query big data without needing to learn new tools. The interface is both secure and scalable, supporting query result streaming for large datasets. Security is a core feature of Kyuubi. It supports industry-standard authentication mechanisms like Kerberos and LDAP, and allows for custom authentication plugins. With fine-grained access control, it ensures secure multi-tenant access to big data resources, making it ideal for enterprise environments. Kyuubi ensures high availability through integration with Apache Zookeeper, enabling service discovery and load balancing. It dynamically allocates resources based on query demands and supports deployment on Kubernetes and Yarn, making it highly scalable for large deployments. Dynamic resource allocation is a key feature that allows Kyuubi to scale Spark executors based on query demands. This ensures optimal cluster resource usage, supports query queuing during peak times, and reduces idle resource consumption, leading to better performance and cost efficiency. When a SQL query is submitted to Kyuubi, it goes through several stages. First, the client connects and authenticates. Then, the query is parsed and routed to the appropriate execution engine. Finally, the query is executed, and results are streamed back to the client. This lifecycle ensures efficient and secure query processing. Kyuubi can be deployed in various environments, including Yarn, Kubernetes, and standalone Spark clusters. It's cross-platform compatible and integrates seamlessly with the Hadoop ecosystem, including HDFS, S3, and Hive Metastore. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of enterprise infrastructures. Kyuubi is optimized for interactive workloads, delivering sub-second query latency on mid-sized clusters. Its efficient memory usage and scalable architecture make it suitable for large-scale deployments. Benchmarks show strong performance in both throughput and resource utilization, especially for ad hoc querying scenarios. One of the most common use cases for Kyuubi is powering by dashboards. Tools like Tableau can connect directly to Kyuubi using JDBC, allowing analysts to query massive datasets with SQL and visualize results in real time. Its multi-tenant architecture ensures secure access for multiple users. Kyuubi is ideal for ad hoc reporting and data exploration. Analysts can run complex SQL queries involving joins and aggregations without needing deep knowledge of Spark. The system ensures secure and scalable access, making it a go-to solution for enterprise data exploration. In enterprise environments, Kyuubi serves as a unified SQL gateway for big data platforms. It integrates with existing tools and supports governance and compliance features. Its scalable architecture makes it suitable for large organizations with diverse data needs. Getting started with Kyuubi is straightforward. You can download it from the Apache website, configure it with Spark and Hive, and start the server. Once running, you can connect using any JDBC client and begin querying your data with SQL. Connecting by tools like Tableau or Power BI to Kyuubi is simple using the JDBC driver. Once configured, you can query big data with standard SQL and visualize results in interactive dashboards. This makes it easy for business users to access and analyze large datasets. When deploying Kyuubi in production, it's important to follow security best practices. Enable Kerberos authentication, use SSL/TLS for encryption, implement access control policies, and regularly audit user sessions. These steps ensure that your big data environment remains secure and compliant. Monitoring and logging are crucial for managing Kyuubi in production. It provides built-in logging support and integrates with monitoring tools to track query performance and audit user activities. This visibility helps maintain system health and troubleshoot issues effectively. Kyuubi's modular architecture allows for extensive customization. You can develop custom authentication plugins, extend session management, add logging modules, and integrate with external systems. This flexibility makes it adaptable to specific enterprise needs. Kyuubi fits seamlessly into the Hadoop ecosystem. It integrates with storage systems like HDFS and S3, works with Hive Metastore for metadata, and runs on Yarn or Kubernetes. It also supports data governance tools, making it a powerful component of modern data platforms. As an Apache project, Kyuubi is open source and backed by a vibrant community. You can find support on GitHub, participate in discussions, and contribute to its development. Regular updates ensure that it stays current with the latest big data trends and technologies. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn Kyuubi. Start with the official documentation, join community forums and Slack channels, explore tutorials and blogs, and participate in hands-on labs and workshops. These resources will help you master Kyuubi quickly. While Kyuubi is powerful, users may encounter challenges like authentication setup, performance tuning, or handling large query results. Fortunately, the community provides extensive documentation and best practices to help troubleshoot and resolve these issues effectively. The future of Apache Kyuubi looks promising. The roadmap includes improved engine support, enhanced UI and tooling, better cloud-native integration, and advanced governance features. These developments will make Kyuubi even more powerful and user-friendly. When compared to Presto or Trino, Kyuubi stands out for its deep integration with Spark and Hive. While Presto is more general purpose, Kyuubi is optimized for big data platforms that rely on Spark. Both support JDBC ODBC, but Kyuubi offers tighter ecosystem integration. Compared to Hive Server 2, Kyuubi offers a more modern architecture with better support for multi-tenancy and resource isolation. It supports both Spark and Hive engines, making it more flexible and scalable for enterprise use cases. To get the best performance from Kyuubi, use dynamic resource allocation, optimize Spark configurations, enable query caching, and monitor cluster resources. These practices ensure efficient query execution and optimal resource usage across your big data environment. Kyuubi is well suited for cloud environments. It runs on platforms like AWS EMR and Azure HD Insight, supports Kubernetes deployments, and integrates with cloud storage systems. Its scalable and cost-efficient design makes it ideal for modern cloud-native data platforms. Let's walk through a hands-on example. Start the Kyuubi server, connect using Beeline or a JDBC client, run sample SQL queries, and analyze the results. This practical approach helps you understand how Kyuubi works in real-world scenarios. When troubleshooting Kyuubi, start by checking server logs for errors, verify Spark and Hive configurations, test connectivity with JDBC, and monitor session and resource usage. These steps help identify and resolve common issues quickly. To summarize, Apache Kyuubi simplifies big data querying with its SQL interface and support for Spark and Hive engines. It's secure, scalable, and designed for multi-tenant environments. With integration into BI tools and cloud platforms, it's a powerful solution for modern data platforms. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Apache Kyuubi. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your network. Leave a comment with your questions or feedback, and don't forget to explore Kyuubi in your own big data projects. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.